Hello kids, draw a sketch with me today. See what I am drawing. See what is this I am drawing. Now draw with me step by step. Follow me kids. I'm drawing a sketch step by step. Wow, I am drawing a beautiful cartoon sketch of courage. Kids, do you see this courage dog in cartoon? See what is this I am drawing. Wow, this is beautiful, dangerous goose. Now coloring with me kids in courage. I am black color in ears and nose of courage. This is black color in ear and nose of courage. Now I am doing pink color in body of courage. Now coloring with me kids step by step. See how I am doing coloring in courage. Wow, this is a little beautiful pink courage dog. This is a courage proudly dog. He scars from his shadow. Wow, courage looking so proud. Why kids? Courage looking so afraid. Now coloring in Ghost, evil shadow of courage. Courage the evil shadow. Now grey color in evil shadow of courage. E for evil shadow of courage. This is a dangerous evil shadow of courage. Courage of pride from this shadow. Oi, this is dangerous, cute, beautiful shadow of courage. Courage of pride from evil shadow. This is evil shadow of courage.